Hey guys, Mitch with Shock Therapy, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the rear adjustable sway bar links on the Honda Talon 1000R. These links are going to feature a few things. Number one, they are highly adjustable. They're also built from the highest quality materials, and they are extremely heavy duty and lightweight at the same time. These links are made in the USA. They limit body roll, and they're also going to improve the rigidity of the vehicle. This installation is fairly simple and should take you no longer than an hour. So let's jump on in. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So when you guys open the link kit, you're going to notice that you do have two different style spacers. It is important to make sure that you have two of the small high miss spacers and two of the long spacers for each individual link. With the factory links already removed from the vehicle, you can now install both lower spacers into the rod end and attach the link to the arm of the vehicle using the supplied hardware. Next, install the nut on the backside of the trailing arm. You can now install both upper spacers into the rod end and attach the link to the sway bar using the supplied hardware. Next, install the nut on the back side of the sway bar and repeat these steps on the opposite side. With both links installed on the vehicle, you can now begin tightening down all of the supplied hardware, making sure that you torque it to 95 foot-pounds and repeat these steps on the opposite side. With all of the hardware tightened and torqued, you can now lock down the jam nuts using a 15/16 wrench. Repeat these steps on the opposite side and your installation is complete. We hope that this video helped you guys with the installation of your rear Shock Therapy sway bar links at home. As always, we recommend that you guys check the jam nuts on your sway bar links after the first 100 to 300 miles to ensure that they are still tight. If you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified anytime that we post a new video. If you guys have any technical questions about this install or any other product, feel free to give us a call at 623-217-4959. Or to order this product, feel free to visit the website at www.shocktherapyusa.com. You're going to notice that there is two different styles of spacer inside the link kit itself. Spacers.
Yeah, when we make things plural, we put an S on the end. Sometimes we add it.
Special delivery. I totally mean to interrupt this program for a nice Starbucks coffee break. So at the time I didn't know he was coming over here. I totally would have ordered Joshy and Jakey at Starbucks.
Hey, don't forget to shave tonight. Say it to Jake.
95 foot-pounds, Jake.
Actually, I changed my mind. Tell
95 foot-pounds, Josh.
Thank you. We tell Justin just in case?
95 foot-pounds, everybody. Just 95 foot-pounds. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Are we good?
I always got it.
We're good?
I'm here for you.
We're good?
Yeah.
We're good.
We're always good.
That was a lot.
Good job, Mitch. So proud of you.
That was a quickie.
I wish.
Have you noticed every time I do these, I find one word that I keep saying over and over again? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified anytime that Josh posts a new video. This link kit is a perfect match. Made in heaven. You want to say that? What do we do as always, Josh?
Check the channel.
About it, then an about. Done, done, done.